cleaning tip of the day from FastKlean. The 5 dirtiest places at home. Faucets. Disinfect them properly. A mixture of baking soda and white vinegar will do the trick. Handles and switches. Disinfect the switches and door handles once or twice per month with rubbing alcohol. Small pieces of electronics. TV remotes, tablets, computer mouse, and keyboard. Sanitize them with rubbing alcohol or special wet wipes designed for cleaning office equipment. Visit our YouTube channel for the complete list and tips. Like, share, and follow for more tips.